Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating spreads in my Meal Planner and Wellness Planner. Meal Planner first, it is for the week of December 9th through the 15th. This planner is called Cooking 101. It is going to be decorated with Save Freeze from Recollections. It is an old book. I have a page of all of these like round little stickers that I didn't know what to do with. And I'm just going to stick them in here and see how this turns out. It might be horrible, so don't hold me down to greatness, please. Because this might not be good, but we will see. I typically don't keep my meal planners, so not a big deal. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're spending more time with me. So this one is Christmassy, but it's also very like winter frozen type of thing. So that's what I'm using. I don't know. Like I said, this is a new experiment I'm doing. I might hate it, but I might like it. So we will see. Yeah, I think I like this side a little bit more, where they're not like even, but this one I already started with like this even 2-line thing, so I can't really switch it because it's too much to take up all of these stickers. But yeah, they're adorable. Yeah, okay, couple more and we'll meal plan. Okay, so I need more stuff for the bottom. I'm looking what's in here. I do want to use a Christmas tree, so let's use that. I'm gonna put this right over here. Look what the snow. How cute is that? Some of these images in Recollections are just so adorable. I can't help myself, so that's exactly what I'm going to use. How about we make like a whole arrangements of gifts underneath, and all these bubbles will be on the top. I don't know. We'll see. You guys, so I got this new huge desk, but it is kind of unstable, so I don't know what to do because my phone holder for the recording is attached to that desk, and anytime I even slightly move, the whole thing shakes. If you guys have any advices on how to fix that, let me know. I don't know if I need to put like a column in the middle to kind of make it more stable, but yeah, the whole thing shakes. Anyway, I'm gonna put this tag right there, and maybe I can list like snacks and stuff. We'll see. And then let me go ahead and find a quote that we can slap in between those, and then I can start meal planning. So yeah, okay, let's get to a meal planning. So I'm just using a Sipa pen. It is a felt pen, nothing fancy. So toast with goat cheese is something that I love to have for breakfast. I typically have like a farmhouse slice of bread, and I just put some goat cheese, sometimes some tomato. It's amazing. And then quinoa salad for lunch. I love making those. In general, I love grain salads and corn salads. For dinner, we'll do pasta primavera. It is a delicious pasta. So breakfast will be pretty much same Monday through Thursday when I work. And then let's see for lunches. So enchiladas for dinner. So we're going to do leftover pasta for lunch because I'm going to have leftover from the Primavera. On Wednesday, we have lunch out, and then let's do burrito bowl for dinner on Wednesday. Something lighter. I can make a small portion of that for myself. So yeah, toast with goat cheese for sure. Cucumber, tomato salad. I usually add like cilantro, onion, corn, a little bit of olive oil, and lime juice, and it is delicious. And then chili for dinner. And then Friday, I'll have eggs and toast for breakfast because I am home, or typically I work from home and I work on filming and stuff like that. On weekends, we typically don't eat lunch, so it's usually snacks. And then we can have pancakes with Nutella for breakfast. Those sound delicious to me. Even though I'm not a huge sweet breakfast person, once in a while I don't mind doing that because I know how much my boyfriend enjoys it. And then we have egg and hash browns for breakfast on Sunday. And if I have any leftover meat, I will top that with that. Leftover chili, tacos, and on Sunday we are out. So that is my meal plan for the week. Pretty simple. And yeah, I'm gonna pop it back in. It's super colorful, and I'm not super angry how this turned out, but I'm not like extremely happy either. So it's kind of 50-50 here. Okay. So my meal planner for the same week, and this meal planner is Celestial Elegance. It is just a plain vertical planner. So this one I'm gonna decorate with the Live Love Posh sticker book. It is so lovely. She has this really elegant stickers in here. I think it's in a Holly Jolly. There's so many like Christmas books now that I'm losing my mind here a little, but yeah, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's use this one. So this is the Chic Christmas one. This is so like beautiful and elegant, so let's use that. And as always, I'm just gonna make some dots. I chose red Zig pen this time. Yeah. Do you see what I mean with my desk shaking? Even if I move my hand like from Sunday to Monday, the whole thing shakes. So I have to figure something out, you guys, because it's driving me nuts. Okay, let's remove some lines just a little, and then I'm gonna start putting down stickers. It will be very, very simple and elegant. That's what I really enjoy about these stickers. They're so easy to use, and we'll go from there. Okay, so look at how beautiful these florals are, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and add one more on here, and I'm just gonna keep all of the decorations on the bottom of the page. It just makes sense to me to do it that way and kind of keep it beautiful and simple. And I'm just gonna cut a flower, put it on both sides, and that is it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Again, don't be afraid to cut your stickers if you want to make your sticker last longer, or if you need something smaller. So yeah, that's what I do all the time. And that is all. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner and I will be all done. I'm just naming these, so breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then I do meds, mood, sleep, and steps. So that's what I track. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.